The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for North Central Freestone County in Central Texas, Henderson County in Central Texas, Northwestern Anderson County in Central Texas, East Central Navarro County in North Central Texas, until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:27 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Kerens, or 12 miles south of Gun Barrel City, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts and $half size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Palestine, Athens, Gun Barrel City, Blackhawk, Toole, Kerens, Brownsboro, Eustis, Trinidad, Enchanted Oaks, Caney City, Lake Palestine, Forest Grove Reservoir, Montalba, Cedar Creek Reservoir, Coon Creek Lake, Trinidad Lake, Richland Chambers Reservoir, Brushy Creek and Crossroads. A tornado watch remains in effect until 1 a.m. Central Daylight Time for Central and North Central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Heavy rainfall is occurring with this storm, and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Anderson and Henderson,